close enough to me that you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, the questions in the test bank cover the concepts from lessons in chapter 1. Select questions from any of the categories that match the content you covered with the students. The types of questions include multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blank, and short answer. Okay, first part is multiple choice. For question 1 through 10, circle only one answer. Number 1, any sample of matter that has mass and takes up space. The main reason for this is because A, all matter is heavy. B, matter can be a gas. C, matter is made of tiny particles that have mass and take up space. D, the earth is made of matter. Number 2, water drops stay together on wax paper and they don't break apart easily. This is mainly because A, water molecules are small. B, water molecules are in motion. C, water molecules are attracted to each other. D, water molecules are wet. Number 3, when you bring 2 drops of water near each other and allow them to touch, they combine immediately and become one drop. This is mainly because A, water molecules are made of atoms. B, water molecules are attracted to each other. C, water molecules are magnetic. D, water is a liquid. Number 4, if you put food coloring in room temperature water, the coloring spreads throughout the water. The water causes the color to spread mainly because A, water molecules are warm. B, water molecules are in motion. C, water is more dense than food coloring. D, food coloring molecules are small. Number 5, food coloring spreads out faster in hot water than in cold water. This is mainly because A, the water molecules in hot water move more quickly. B, the molecules in hot water are larger. C, the food coloring molecules are small. D, hot water is less dense. Number 6, when a thermometer is heated, the red liquid inside the thermometer moves up. This is mainly because A, the red liquid is thin. B, the molecules of the liquid move faster and get a little further apart. C, hot liquid is lighter. D, the glass of the thermometer gets hot. Number 7, when a thermometer is cooled, the red liquid inside the thermometer moves down. This is mainly because A, cold liquids sink. B, the glass of the thermometer gets cold. C, the molecules of the liquid move slower and get a little closer together. D, the red liquid is thick. Number 8, when you heat a sample of a solid, the particles that make up the solid A get bigger. B, lose mass. C, move faster. D, slow down. Number 9, when you heat a sample of a solid, the sample gets a little bigger. This is mainly because A, the particles move faster and get a little further apart. B, heat helps the particles grow. C, heating the sample makes it lighter. D, heating helps the particles slide past each other. Number 10, when you heat a sample of gas, what happens to the particles that make up the gas? A, the particles move faster. B, the particles break apart. C, the particles get smaller. D, the particles become more dense. For questions 11 through 13, circle all the correct answers. Number 11, to describe a liquid, you could say A, the particles of a liquid are attracted to one another. B, the particles of a liquid are in motion. C, the particles of a liquid are able to move past one another. D, a liquid has mass and takes up space. Number 12, to describe a solid, you could say the particles of a solid are attracted to each other. B, the particles of a solid can move past one another. C, the particles of a solid vibrate but do not move past one another. D, a solid has mass and takes up space. Number 13, to describe a gas, you could say